Guys, how are you? I hope you are great. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Angui. I'm your sister from Cameroon. So if today is your first time watching this video, you are welcome. Where have you been? I've missed you so much. Subscribe so that you join our family, so that whenever we do our products review, you'll be the first person to get the amazing review of our products before you get them from the market. In today's video, this is for all those my friends, my relatives, my aunties, my uncles that you like skincare. Today we are talking about Rani herbal soap. This is a free product review. We are not being paid, we are not sponsored. So we are giving you a review based on our experience, our customers' experience, and our friends' recommendation. Today we are talking about the Rani herbal soap. This soap is perfect for all skin type. It helps to smoothen your skin, treat eczema, ringworm, eradicates wrinkles. Imagine you're 25 and you're looking 45. Like, look at this face. You cannot be 25 and you're looking 45. You need this soap to take care of your skin. It helps to remove all skin infections like tats, skin wrinkles. It helps even for acne. When you have acne on your face, you have dark skin, maybe the sun is affecting your skin, you need this Rani herbal soap to help to be able to clear your skin, make your skin very soft, make your skin very smooth. And you can also use this soap like a shampoo, like 2-in-1, which means, you know that time when you're bathing and you just rub savon on your head like that, you will be using this one like that. It also works like a shampoo. Let me show you what it looks like inside. 1 minute, please. Can you see this? Can you see? This is what it looks like. So it also acts like a shampoo, which means if you don't have money to buy shampoo, just buy this soap. It's very cheap. Like, it's cheap. You use this soap, you bathe your body, and then you wash your hair. It helps to remove oil from your hair. It helps to make your hair very clean. It also helps to straighten your hair. That's all. Shampoo, that's all. Then for your skin, it helps to whiten your skin, smooth your skin, eradicates all the eczema, the small heat rashes on your skin, and ringworm. And also, if you have sunburn, it also helps you 100%. I don't know if you have seen the video I've made about this papaya. This is the sister of this soap. They are from the same company, produced by the same person. So if you'll be trying this soap before or you use any of them, let me know. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, share, like, and I will see you all in our next video.